Welcome to Nokia. This is the Irving location, which is the North America headquarters of Nokia. Nokia Networks is the biggest business of Nokia.
Historically, people have known us as a mobile devices company, but in fact we are an innovative technology company.
We basically provide services to all the operators here in North America. We also have the innovation centers, and this is one of the 3 innovation centers in North America. And here we have the R&D and the technology and innovation teams. Nokia supplies to almost 350 customers globally and in 120 countries.
Right now we're in one of our labs where we do a lot of work with other vendors, where we integrate our products with their products. We've got what primarily is a lot of our radio gear. So it's what ends up hanging off of what's known in the world as the towers. It's the behind the scenes piece of that, and it's all tied remotely into other labs which contain other parts of the network, which we refer to as the core.
This is the R&D development lab. It's primarily focused on radio creation here. We also do a tremendous amount of testing. You'll see a huge investment in test equipment in this facility. We also invest a lot in building lots of prototypes. Our job here is to put the wireless in the wireless network. In this lab, there are probably easily multiple thousands of radios going on. We've got multiple generations of products. It's an engineer's candy store, if you will. If you brought your cell phone into this chamber and we shut the door on you, you would quickly find that you had no service, and in fact you would have no chance of getting any service anywhere else. We also invest in a lot of thermal chambers. It's one thing to make the radio perform at room temperature, it's another thing to make it work in the worst Arctic or Sahara Desert environment as well. On the failure analysis end, obviously our goal is if something's going to break on one of our product designs, we want it to break while it's still in our hands and not make it to our customer. So we do some rigorous set of testing. This lab is primarily focused on trying to break the products that we make.
This is the North American Nokia Training Academy. The environment is dedicated for training services, and it is used by the Nokia Academy to provide internal and external training. This is a pretty much fully functional, self-sufficient telecom network that includes all the necessary core elements and radio network elements to facilitate calls for 2, 3, and 4G. Some of the labs are used for security testing. Some of the labs are used for core testing and also radio network element testing.
Nokia values are to expand the human possibilities of the connected world.
We need people who are committed, who have the passion to create and bring new ideas.
The future is exciting because of this connected world that we are working on right now. I think it's really cool to work in things that all the people will be benefit with the new technology that we are deploying right now.
Today's episode is brought to you by Telecom Careers, the #1 global telecom and wireless job board, telecomcareers.net.